who is an NHT contributor, that will go towards their deposit. So deposit is usually hard to find. You'll get $500,000 boost on that. Because as we said, equity demands that not everybody gets the same thing. And so persons with disabilities will benefit from reduced interest rates. And as a reward to our public sector workers, they too will benefit from reduced interest rates. And for the public sector workers, a 3-month grace period. So after they purchase a home, the first 3 months of the repayment of the mortgage, that will be waived, well, not waived, but that will be delayed to give them an opportunity to furnish their homes. Because when you buy a new home, your income really is stretched before you can regularly make those mortgage payments. So the PNP is really committed. We are committed as a party to ensuring that that roof over your head is available to every Jamaican. And there's more. The debt service ratio will be increased to 40% so that persons can qualify for a mortgage on up to 40% of their disposable income, which will increase the number of people who will qualify for that mortgage.